Welcome to Art's Guitar Gadget Guy. One of my hobbies that I have is fixing guitar pedals. I pick them up on eBay, they have issues, and I fix them up. Well, I bought this pedal here. It is an Octave Fuzz pedal, and the description said it was iffy because sometimes it would play and sometimes it would. Well, to me, that sounds like a short issue. Something is shorting out inside this unit. So we're going to open her up. And see what might be causing the issue. Sometimes it's just a loose wire, or the board is touching something and it's shorting out. Alright. So we'll open it up and we'll find out what's causing the problem. Right. 3 down, 1 to go. Alrighty. Let's open it up and see what's going on. Alrighty. Yeah, just as I suspected, that the main board is shorting out on this back plate here somewhere. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make an insulator to insulate this so it won't short out anymore. And how would I do that? Well, here is a real easy fix. It's called scotch tape. Get out a short piece, and here's what you do. Is you stick it on the inside of this, and go along and take X-Acto knife, sharp knife, cut around the edges. Pull that off, and you have a nice barrier that'll keep that from shorting out. Now, let's take a look at the inside of this. So it's pretty interesting. A pretty simple board here with 7 transistors. It looks like a couple diodes and a whole bunch of resistors and some electrolytic capacitors. Let's take a look at the underside of it, and you can see that it's got a simple perf board that somebody handmade this. And they were good enough to put a sponge here on the back of the switch so that it won't short out on the board. Alright, so let's go put this back together, and we'll try her out. see you in a bit. Alright, I got the fuzz pedal plugged into my Strat Mini Squire. Let's turn her on and let's see what happens. Whoa, that's quite... Oh boy. Wow, that's quite loud. And that... Okay, that's it. The top, let's try the... Okay, that's on the fuzz setting. Wow. Interesting. Alright, it worked, so whatever I did fixed the problem. It's a neat little pedal. Well, there you go, folks. Another pedal fixed. Might keep it. Who knows? I might send it down the road. Here's a big muff project that I've been working on that I got fixed. It had a bad potentiometer. Replaced it, so, and it works. So, on to bigger and better things. Catch you at the next project.